is a 2006 Sea Ray 220 Sundeck, burgundy in color, on a tandem axle trailer with brakes, bow and cockpit cover, bimini top, big usable swim platform, Bravo 3 drive, stereo remote on the transom, nice and shiny, fresh buff and wax. Entering into the boat, you have a nice easy walk-through transom. Easy step down into the boat. Fiberglass floor, snap-all carpeting. Dual helm seats with dive-rise bolsters. Full instrumentation with Mercury SmartCraft. Vessel control center on the steering wheel. Remote stereo. Entering into the front of the boat, nice wide open, deep bow with in-floor storage. Easy step onto the front deck, along with your ladder and anchor storage. Fresh water. Enclosed head with pump out porta potty. Here's a video with the covers off. Again, nice and shiny. Both been well taken care of.